Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Mastering the art of drying your car. Essential techniques and tips. Drying a car after washing is a crucial step in maintaining its appearance and preventing water spots and streaks. Proper drying techniques not only ensure a spotless finish but also help to protect the vehicle's paint and minimize the risk of scratches. In this video, we will explore the importance of thorough car drying and highlight the benefits of utilizing the right methods. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. By effectively removing excess water from the surface of the car, you can avoid the unsightly marks that often result from allowing water to evaporate naturally. Additionally, utilizing a gentle yet absorbent drying material can contribute to preserving the paintwork and achieving a flawless shine. Understanding the significance of this process and implementing the appropriate techniques can significantly enhance the overall outcome of your car washing routine. Why drying your car is important. After washing your car, it's crucial to properly dry it to maintain its appearance and protect the paint. Let's delve into the reasons why drying your car is an essential step in the car washing process. Prevention of water spots. Leaving water to air dry on your car's surface can result in unsightly water spots. These spots are caused by minerals in the water that are left behind as the water evaporates. The minerals can etch into the paint, particularly on sunny days, leaving behind stubborn marks that can be tough to remove. Drying your car with a soft, clean microfiber cloth or chamois helps to prevent these water spots from forming, keeping your car looking pristine. Avoiding paint damage. Allowing water to air dry on your car can lead to potential paint damage. Water droplets can hold abrasive particles that, when left to dry naturally, can cause small scratches or swirl marks on the paint surface. By gently drying your car with a soft cloth, you remove these particles and minimize the risk of paint damage, helping to preserve the overall look of your vehicle. Preserving the shine. Drying your car after washing isn't just about preventing water spots and paint damage, it's also about preserving the shine of your vehicle. By hand drying your car, you ensure that any remaining water is removed, allowing the true shine of the paint and any wax or sealant to stand out. This extra step not only improves the visual appeal of your car but also helps to maintain the protective layer of wax or sealant, extending the lifespan of the paint job. By incorporating this simple step into your car washing routine, you can maintain the appearance and condition of your car for years to come. Effective drying techniques. After a thorough car wash, it's crucial to employ effective drying techniques to prevent water spots and ensure a streak-free, polished finish. Below are some tried and tested methods for achieving impeccable results. Use of microfiber towels. Microfiber towels are a staple in the car detailing world for good reason. Their ultra-soft, absorbent fibers are gentle on paintwork and effectively lift and trap water droplets. When drying your car, opt for high-quality, plush microfiber towels to minimize the risk of introducing swirl marks or scratches. Gently glide the towel over the surface, using a blotting motion to absorb the moisture. Blowing with a clean, filtered air. Utilizing a clean, filtered air source, such as a specialized car dryer or a compressed air blower with a nozzle attachment, can expedite the drying process while minimizing direct contact with the paint. Ensure the air source is free from contaminants to avoid unintentional damage. Maintain a safe distance from the car's surface to prevent any potential mishaps and move the airflow methodically across the panels for thorough drying. Patting dry with a drying aid. Applying a dedicated drying aid can further enhance the drying process and add a layer of protection to the paint. These products are specifically formulated to aid in water dispersal and provide lubrication, reducing friction and the likelihood of water spots. Simply spray the drying aid onto the surface and use a clean microfiber towel to gently pat and glide across the paint, leaving behind a glossy, water-repellent finish. Employing these effective drying techniques will not only yield a pristine, spotless result but also contribute to preserving the integrity of your vehicle's paintwork over the long term. Areas to pay attention to when drying. When drying your car after a wash, it's crucial to pay attention to specific areas to ensure a thorough and effective process. Failing to tend to these areas can leave water spots and diminish the overall cleanliness of your vehicle. Let's delve into the key areas that require your attention. Door jambs and handles. The door jambs and handles are often overlooked during the drying process. It's important to give these areas some extra care to remove any residual water. Use a microfiber cloth to carefully dry the inner edges of the doors and wipe around the handles, ensuring no moisture is left behind. This step helps prevent water streaks and maintains the aesthetic appeal of your car. Around emblems and trim. Another commonly neglected area is around the emblems and trim. These areas may trap water, leading to unsightly water spots. Take the time to thoroughly dry around the emblems and trim using a soft and absorbent microfiber towel. Carefully work your way around these features to prevent water from sitting and causing potential damage or blemishes. Wheels and tires. Your car's wheels and tires also require attention during the drying process. After washing, moisture often lingers in these areas, especially around the lug nuts and tire treads. To ensure a complete drying, use a separate drying towel or microfiber cloth to dry the wheels and tires thoroughly. Pay close attention to the spokes and rims, where water can accumulate and leave marks if not addressed. By focusing on these key areas when drying your car, you can maintain a spotless finish and preserve the integrity of your vehicle's surfaces. Taking the time to address these often overlooked spots will not only enhance the overall cleanliness of your car but also contribute to a lasting and gleaming appearance. Final touches for a spotless finish. After the initial drying process, there are a few final touches you can make to ensure a perfectly clean and shiny surface on your car. Using detailing spray for added shine. To take your car's appearance to the next level, consider using a detailing spray. This product not only adds an extra layer of shine but also helps to remove any remaining water droplets and smudges. Simply spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe it across the surface of your car. This will enhance the gloss and leave behind a slick, smooth finish. Checking for mist spots. Carefully scan your car for any mist spots that may have been overlooked during the washing and drying process. Keep an eye out for water streaks, residual soap suds, or areas where water may have accumulated, such as around side mirrors, door handles, and trim pieces. Address these spots by using a clean microfiber cloth to gently buff them away, ensuring every inch of your car is spotless. Remember, these final touches are crucial for achieving a showroom-worthy finish, so take your time and give your car the attention it deserves for that immaculate look. Conclusion. After washing your car, the drying process is an essential step to ensure a flawless finish and maintain the vehicle's appearance and longevity. Properly drying your car prevents water spots, streaks, and mineral deposits from forming on the surface, preserving the paint and protecting the overall exterior. Importance of proper car drying. Drying your car after washing not only improves its visual appeal but also contributes to its long-term health. Water left to air dry can contain minerals and impurities that, when evaporated, leave behind unsightly marks. By employing the correct drying techniques, you can prevent these blemishes and preserve the pristine look of your vehicle. Impact on car's appearance and longevity. The way you dry your car can significantly impact its appearance. It's crucial to use soft, microfiber towels and gentle blotting or sweeping motions to prevent swirl marks and scratches. Additionally, a thorough drying routine can help avoid corrosion or rust on metal and chrome parts, promoting the car's longevity and resale value. Final thoughts. Investing time and attention into properly drying your car after washing is a small yet significant step in maintaining its beauty and structural integrity. By following the right methods and using the appropriate tools, you can ensure that your vehicle continues to impress with its pristine shine, while also safeguarding its condition for years to come. There you have it, folks. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.